Now let's get started. Now let's separate the whites and the yolks. Add the sugar to the yolks. Beat the sugar and the yolks together till it gets light and fluffy. Add the mascarpone cheese to the egg and sugar mixture. Again, beat the egg whites until it's light and fluffy. Add the egg whites to the egg and sugar mixture. Add the vanilla to the heavy cream until it's beat until it's fluffy. Add the heavy cream. Brush the wafers with coffee. Pour half the filling onto the wafers. Brush the coffee on the next layer of wafers. Rest of the filling. Dust with cocoa powder and refrigerate at least for 6 hours. Now let's get started. Now let's get started. Now let's get started. Now let's get started. Now let's get started.